Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a GitHub account. So all you have to do really is head over to github.com guys. And once you're on the official website, you will see right here where it says sign up. You can enter your email address and sign up, or just simply click and sign up on the upper right hand side wherever you are. Now the cool thing is that you can easily go ahead and sign up if you have a Google account, right? And you can always go back and change your account details later on. So if you have a Google account or your Apple account, you can go ahead and sign up with those, right, for personal use. Otherwise, if you're going to sign up under your company email address, then you want to go ahead and just fill in those details normally. So you need your company email, you need your password, you need your username. You can create your own username there, set your region and all those stuff, right? Create your account directly from here. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my Google account, so I'm going to simply choose that, select my Google account right here, continue, and that's going to go ahead and just quickly auto generate a username for me, right? So I'm going to leave it as is. My country is correct, and I can choose if I want to receive any updates. For now, leave that as unchecked and create my account. Now it's quickly verifying my account. As you can see, the verification is done, and it's going to reload me right into GitHub. So as you can see right here, I'm inside and you have an account. Now to learn more about GitHub guys, I'm going to create a dedicated playlist for this, and I'll be sharing with you future videos and how you can use this. So if you would like to learn more, I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. Let me know in the comments below, and look out for future videos coming out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.